I'm Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja. You are watching my YouTube channel, Dr. Raja Nadeem Sajjad Official. Please do subscribe my channel and press bell icon button. So today I'm going to talk about urinary tract infection in pregnancy, in pregnant women. Infection of urinary tract, which includes kidney, ureter, tubes. Ureters are tube which carries urine from kidney to bladder, urethra. Urethra is a small tube that carries urine from your bladder to outside your body. So if you got an infection and you are pregnant, then tell to your doctor, seek medical advice and help. This infection may lead to infection in your kidneys. It may lead to premature birth and low birth weight of baby. So what are the urinary tract symptoms in pregnant women? So an urgent need to pee or peeing more often, trouble with peeing, a burning sensation during passing urine, or cramps in the lower back or lower belly, a burning feeling when you pass the urine. Urine usually looks cloudy, has an odor, and sometimes blood is also in the urine, which can turn this urine into red, bright pink, or cola colored. It is very important, if you are suffering with fever, nausea, vomiting, upper back pain on one side or both sides, so this means you have got kidney infection. So then you should seek urgent medical help, consult your doctor and get the treatment. So why urinary tract infection are more common in pregnancy? These are actually due to the hormonal changes. So hormonal changes lead to the changes in the urinary tract. That's why pregnant women are more prone to infections. So these changes also lead to vesico-ureter reflux. This is a condition in which your urine flows back from your bladder to your kidneys, and this can cause infection. So when any lady who is pregnant, so pregnant lady's urine contains more sugar, proteins and hormone. So these changes also put pregnant lady at risk of for a urinary tract infection. Because you are pregnant, so your growing uterus presses on your bladder. So this makes hard bladder to let out all the urine. So leftover urine can be a source of infection. So what are the other causes of urinary tract infection in the pregnant ladies? So bugs from the rectum can enter into the urinary tract through the urethra, especially if hygiene is compromised. So during sexual activity, fingers, your partner's penis can also push organisms into the urethra, and then pregnant female can suffer with urinary tract infection. There is one bacteria which is called as group B streptococci. So that is present in the colon and in the vagina. So it can cause urinary tract infection, and the babies are particularly at risk of suffering with severe group B streptococci infection. So treatment is necessary, and pregnant lady would require intrapartum antibiotic prophylaxis at the time of delivery. So what are the common complications during pregnancy? So preterm labor, severe infection, which could be life-threatening, anemia, repeated urinary tract infections. So how it is diagnosed? So urine is sent to the laboratory to check presence of proteins, nitrites, WBCs, white blood cells, red blood cells, as well as urine for culture and sensitivity. So management is very important to prevent the complications of urinary tract infection. So whether it's a symptomatic bacteriuria or asymptomatic bacteriuria, please remember, not all antibiotics are safe in the pregnancy, not good for baby who is in the mother's belly. Always take antibiotics according to the advice of your medical practitioner, your doctor. But here I mention a few antibiotics. So we commonly use to treat infections in pregnant women. For example, nitrofurantoin, 100 milligram is given once in the morning, once in the evening for 7 days, especially if kidneys are working normally. Amoxicillin, if culture results are available and isolated organism bacteria is sensitive to amoxicillin, then 500 milligrams 3 times a day for 7 days. There is another antibiotic which is called as cefalexin, 500 milligram twice a day for 7 days. And if group B streptococci is causing infection, then female would require intrapartum antibiotic prophylaxis in addition to the treatment. If the symptoms persist, then please consult your doctor. So what we should do to prevent infection during the pregnancy? So all pregnant women should drink at least 8 glasses of water in a day. So wipe yourself from front to back when you go to bathroom. Empty your bladder shortly before and after sex. If you need a lubricant when you have sex, choose a water-based. Avoid strong feminine deodorants or soaps that cause irritation. Wash your genital area with warm water before sex. So wear cotton underwear. Take showers instead of baths. Do not wear tight pants. Pass urine often. And also it's very important, avoid alcohol, citrus juices, spicy food, caffeinated drinks, which can irritate your bladder. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, please write down in the comment section and I will answer your questions.